Hey, good morning, guys. It's Havasu Lou out in beautiful Lake Havasu. We're going to go check out that brand new foreclosure listing. It's one of only 2 foreclosures in Lake Havasu. Got a bunch of people interested in it. So hang out with us and check it out with us, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Hey guys, for some reason the first 2 clips of my video did not turn out, so these are just stock pictures. The rest of them did come out. If you guys have any questions, just reach out to me and I'll help answer them. Obviously the carpet needs to be replaced. It's got the split floor plan, open living. It's got a rear kitchen, open. It's got the square tile. It's not terrible. Alright guys, this is the master. Good size, slider out to the backyard. Master bath. So the water and the power are off, which is typical in a foreclosure setup. Walk-in closet. Sorry if it's dark. This is bedroom number 2, front of the house. It's got double doors. Make a nice little office or something. This is the second bath, hallway, guest bath. Bedroom number 3 at the rear of the house. Needs paint. Whole place needs carpet, obviously. So this garage is actually 45 feet deep if you remove this little pony wall that they put in. It's a nice setup. Let's go check out the backyard. Backyard's all walled in. However, it doesn't look like the wall is high enough to meet pool barrier regulations, so you'd probably have to put a little piece of wrought iron up there to make it 5 feet. But otherwise, big backyard. It's got a peekaboo view of the lake. Gated side parking. Hey guys, Havasu Lou back again with you. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video walk through the foreclosure over on 2901 Indian Springs Drive. Again, it's only one of 2 foreclosures left in Lake Havasu right now. This is only open to primary occupant buyers only, and bids are due next Sunday. Let's see, that would be the 21st. It will get multiple offers. There's a ton of people here when I was looking. So anyway, just so you know, primary occupancy is considered anything 6 months and a day. The bank will have you sign an affidavit disclosure stating that it is going to be a primary residence and threaten you with a monetary fine. Anyway, just so you know, that's how it works. If you guys have any questions, all the contact information and listing details is all right below this video. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions at all. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.